This inscription commemorates the coronation of a king in the Mayan city of Yaxchilan. On the left side, the text contains the date of the ceremony, while on the right side, the text contains the name of the new king and the king's parents. Between the date and the names is a verb. Mayan inscriptions typically follow this pattern: a date, then a verb, and then some nouns. Now let's read this text. On this day in the long count calendar, 9 Baktun, 16 Katun, 1 Tun, 0 Winel, 0 Kin. That's May 2nd in the year 751 AD. This long count date is followed by the same date in a different calendar system called the calendar round. The calendar round is composed of two non-adjacent glyphs. The first is 11 Ajwa, and the second is 8 Sik. Between these two calendar round dates, we have the date of the ceremony in a third calendar system called the supplementary series. That's the end of the date information. Next is the verb clause. It contains three glyphs, beginning with the verb to accede, or to be coronated. Then the word into, and finally the word ruler or kingship. Taken together, we could translate this verb phrase as, he took office as king. After the verb phrase, we have three noun phrases. The first one is for the new ruler, then one for his mother, and finally one for his father. Each noun phrase begins with a name and is followed by several titles or accomplishments. The new ruler's name glyph is read as Yaxan Balam, or bird jaguar. The glyph contains a bird on top of a jaguar head. It is followed by several titles, including captor of prisoners in the city Ux, captor of 21 prisoners, and lord. The next noun phrase is for bird jaguar's mother. It begins, child of mother, and then the name glyph, lady wing, and then several titles including heavenly, lady of books, and lady standing on. The rest of the inscription records bird jaguar's father's name. It begins, child of father, followed by the name glyph 5 Katun Lord, and then several titles including shield jaguar, captor of prisoners in the city Nix, and then the emblem glyph for the city Yaxchilan, and finally the word ruler.